Hi everyone. So in this video we will be talking about Accenture interview, and in this video I will be sharing total two interview experiences of Accenture hiring 2025. So these interviews conducted just recently, and I will be sharing you the interview experience. First of all, almost 80% of the interviews of Accenture are almost same, as there are some fixed set of questions. So whatever I am telling you in this interview, most probably you will be getting a very similar interview in Accenture. So if you have your Accenture interview, make sure to like this video, and definitely I will be telling you in this video your all concepts will be clear, like what kind of interview you can expect in Accenture. So first of all, let's start. You got a confirmation mail for slot booking like this. After that, if you are facing the slot problem, you can recheck again and you can see here. Okay, now talking about the interview experience, which is the first one. So see here, it's a very detailed interview. Generally, they take interview for around 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes is the standard timing for their interview. So let's discuss about this. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Walkthrough of resume. Okay, so this is the first question. Mostly in the interviews, you will be getting the first question as introduction only, and this is the best part to explain about you. Okay, so whatever you have your best, like you can explain about you. Okay, whatever the best things you have done, so please analyze yourself, like what are the best thing you have done in your college life or in your professional career. Please talk about that, because that will be your first impression, right? So first impression should be very very good. So first impression is the last impression. So if you will make your first impression good, definitely they will be having the positive mindset. So whatever you have best in yourself, please talk about that in your introduction. Then why do you want to work at Accenture? So you can just talk about it, like how you want to put your technical skills in the growth of Accenture, also how you want to learn the leadership skills, how you want to understand the teamwork and all. You can discuss about these things in this. Okay, what are your strength and weakness? Okay, so strength and weakness, again it's a behavior question. Then describe a challenge you faced and how you will handle it. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? How do you handle conflict in a team? Again, a situational based question. Why should we hire you? So these kind of questions are very very behavior and situational, and generally Accenture ask these kind of questions, okay, too frequently. If you want to prepare these kind of questions, I just want to tell you that in our crack interview notes, you just need to the link will be in the description. Okay, there are total two sections. One is for HR questions. You will be getting a lot of notes for HR questions, and you will be getting a lot of puzzle based questions, general interview questions, situational based questions here. So you can use these notes for your preparation. Apart from this, project based question you can get here. Okay, but these notes will help you for all companies. For Accenture, you just need to read about 3 to 4 sections, but everything is available here in the notes. If you want to quickly prepare everything, these notes will help you a lot. Okay, apart from this, okay, tell me a time where you showed your leadership. Describe a situation where you failed and what you learned. Are you comfortable with relocation, overtime if required? How do you manage deadlines and pressure? What motivates you at work? What are your salary expectation? Tell me about a time you worked in a team and contributed. Do you have any question for us? So this kind of interview happened for our candidate. Only behavior and situational question was there, but it is a little bit different, as they are not asking so many behavior questions. Okay, they are just only asking 2 to 3 questions, but this experience was a little bit different. That's why I showed you. Mostly the interview will look like this. Okay, because around 80% of interviews will be looking like this, in which they will be asking about your projects and conflicts. Okay, so tell me about yourself. Projects, even if you are mentioning individual project, they are asking about group project. Conflict in project, mentor feedback for project, hobbies. It went like on discussion rather than interview. So this kind of interview you can expect, and I can guarantee you, if you are watching this video, 80% of times your interview will look like this only. Okay, they will be asking about you. Okay, they will be directly asking about your projects. Very very important. Okay, you need to prepare in depth about your projects, like the technical stack, whatever you have used. So you can, like, you can see the basics about the tech stack. Also, explaining your project is very very important. Okay, so how you need to explain your project is using a star approach. Okay, a star approach you can use. And apart from this, how you need to explain your project, we have already mentioned in our project notes as well. Link will be in the description. And yeah, so project preparation is very very important in Accenture, because 80 to 90% of times they will be asking you project question only. Okay, then uske baad they are asking about the group project, even if you have individual project. Yes, this is true. Most of the times they are asking if have you worked in group and all. So if you want to make a fake story that you worked in a society, you can make, okay, because it will create a good impression. So you can create that. Okay, conflict in project, again they are asking conflict challenges in the project, again very very important. Okay, you will be also getting this question only, I can guarantee you 80% of times. Then related to the hobbies, and it went on discussion. So most of the times it will be a discussion about the latest things going on about you, about your project, whatever you have done, if you have any certification. So this kind of interview only you can expect. Okay, so I'm sharing you these two interview experience recently happened. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching.